In a humble stable, the star shines bright, guiding the shepherds through the cold night. Mary holds her baby, her heart full of grace, whispers of hope in this sacred place. A miracle born as the angels sing, joy to the world, let His love take wing. Oh Jesus, the light in our hearts, bringing us together, never apart. The miracle of life, forever we'll sing. Let the joy of His birth through the ages ring. Wise men travel from lands afar, with gifts of gold, frankincense and myrrh, bringing their blessings. They kneel down low for the King of Kings the world will know. Peace on earth, goodwill to men, the story of love will never end. Oh Jesus, the light in our hearts, bringing us together, never apart. The miracle of life, forever would sit, and the quarter needs bread through the empty air. Oh Jesus, right in our hearts, bringing us together, the rivers along, the rivers are not. Oh, rivers will sing, let the joy of His birth through the ages ring. In every heart, a new dawn breaks, celebrating His love for all our sake. Oh, in every heart, His love for all our sake.